Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll review OnePlus 9RT 5G. So this is the packaging. As you can see, packaging includes the phone, back cover, the charging brick, USB Type-C cable and some documentations. So without further ado, let's directly go into the review. So as you can see, the device is pretty good. The in-hand experience is very nice. Initial impression looks really good. I bought the 8GB and 128GB variant, which comes around 43,000, and it also comes in another variant, that is 12GB and 256GB variant. It has 8 5G bands. So talking about the display, it is 6.62 inch AMOLED full HD plus display. Build quality looks so nice. And talking about the back side, it has got the frosted glass design, as you can see, and it's also anti fingerprint, so you won't see any fingerprint leftovers here. So the camera setup looks fine. Build quality is great. So top, you get to see the secondary noise cancellation. Towards the left you get the alert slider and the power on and off button. The bottom you get the USB port, then the speaker grill, and so towards the left you get the volume rockers. In and feel is pretty good. It's neither too big nor too small. It's feel pretty balanced, and the back is overall is pretty good. So now talking about the camera, it has got the 50 megapixel main camera which captures really good pictures. It comes with IMX766 sensor with f1.8 aperture with OIS, and it has got the 16 megapixel ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel macro camera. So towards the front it has got the 16 megapixel camera. The UI, though it is saying Oxygen OS, but it's almost the feel of Color OS, but it has no bloatware, guys, I must say. So after booting the device, I didn't find any bloatwares, and it's pretty good. As you can see, it is running on the 120Hz refresh rate, and it's pretty fast and smooth. So good thing is it has no bloatwares and chunks. Out of the box you get Android 11, and this will get future updates of Android 12 and other updates. So as I go to settings, and in the about phone you can see it is showing the device information. It is showing Android 11 version, as you can see here, guys. Going to the display, if I go to screen refresh rate, you can see it is running high, that is in 120Hz, and that's why it's smooth. I'm liking this device very much, guys, using this 120Hz display. So talking about the performance, it comes with Snapdragon 888, which handles all the stuffs very nicely. It is octa-core with 5 nanometer chipset, and it's amazing, guys. The performance and all the RAM management is pretty good. So talking about the fingerprint, it's pretty fast, as you can see here, guys. It opens up quickly without any lag. So talking about the battery, it comes with 4500 mAh, and charging brick comes with 65-watt fast charging, and the battery backup is pretty good. It goes up to 1.5 days in normal usage, and it works perfectly. And the charging time, it takes around 35 minutes. I've charged it, and I've used it from last 2 days, and I've seen this charging speed. So out of the box you get around 106GB of space out of 128GB. So RAM management is pretty good, as I said before. You get the dual stereo speakers. Here is one speaker and another is here. So most of the sound comes from this bottom side speaker, and the rest comes from the upper side speaker. So talking about the camera, the camera UI is very close to Color OS. It's almost like Color OS only, all the navigation and features. If I go to video, you can change the video settings. It goes up to resolution 4K at 60 fps, and you can do 180 at 60 30 and 720 at 60 30. So you can do other settings also, advanced settings, and you can use it. Also it has got the night mode. The camera samples are pretty good, guys. I have clicked pictures and those come out really good. So overall the device is pretty amazing and I am loving this device. If you want to buy this device, like if your budget is around 40 to 45, you can buy it, as it is giving a pretty nice deal at this price range. So overall device is pretty good and you can buy it. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Hope you like it. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.